Where is this building?
2840 Liberty Avenue.
And what part of town are we in?
This is Strip District.
Strip? You can tell that was an old building.
This was an old freight elevator shaft.
Replaced 2 freights.
Classic. 2002.
Yeah, there used to be some type of freight elevator in this shaft. If you get down to the bottom, you can see the door frame was.
Yeah. You can tell by the bricks it's a lot older than what it looks like from nowadays.
Right there, yeah. You can see where the freight door used to be.
Must have had 2 side openings. Oh, that actually goes deeper than this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's it.